Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Coach John Abot po, makakasama ninyo para sa Advocatus League Season 5, 30 above division here at the Gameville Ballpark in Fairfield State, Mandaluyong City. We are now in the 2 minutes and 20 seconds of the first quarter, and this is a battle between the EP Warriors versus Utopia, 38 under division. And right now our score, Utopia leading by 1 over EP Warriors, though Utopia is just using 7 players in this ball game. And here are the white shirts. That will be a hard foul.
Ball on number 3, Jean Moreno.
That will be the second foul of Jean Moreno.
Suspension.
Philip Parananda will once again visit the midfield line. Checking in for Utopia, number 22. That's Jerome Azarbon. Putting back the lead, back to EP Warriors. Abarquez setting up the play. Swings it to the left corner. 3-point attempt, and it's good. Coming from Paulo Murcia. Pio Gariblas. And there will be another foul. Utopia under penalty. Third foul on Jean Moreno. Frederick Lu checking in for the foul trouble. Jean Moreno. Shooting 2 free throws right now is number 14, Pio Gariblas. Let's check the 5 for the EP Warriors. That's Pio Gariblas. Number 12, Dexter Barrion. Number 16, Francis Baclay. Number 17, Philip Ranada. Completing the roster, number 21, Jundi Guillermo. While for Utopia, bringing down that basketball, number 22. That's Jerome Mazarcon. Paul Mercado will be fouled from behind. Also with Utopia, number 10, Paulo Murcia. Number 17, Mr. Frederick Lu. And completing the roster, number 27, Carlo Abarquez. Frederick Lu. Pass it inside, and that's a good drive coming from Paul Mercado. Utopia leading by 3. A steal by Utopia. Here's Abarquez. Abarquez on the drive, partially blocked. But there's Carlo Murcia cleaning up that mess. Here's Philip Ranada. Philip Ranada creating too strong. Abarquez. Murcia short on that 3. Battle for the rebound. Ranada getting that ball. Ranada stepping on the gas. And Barrion cannot handle that pass. Turnover for EP Warriors. Abarquez to Mercado. Frederick Lu, elbow jumper miss. Azarcon completing, getting that rebound. And another 3 from Carlo Abarquez. And it's now an 8-point lead by the underman Utopia. That will end our first quarter. 26-18 will be coming back. Back here at the Advocatus League Season 5, 38 above division, powered by Sports Plus and Kings of the Court. Utopia with 14 on the shot clock. Almeida missing that three. Rebound by James Moreno. Ren also missing a three. Long rebound for Utopia. Jang Moreno finding a Barquez. And a Barquez using that glass and scores a two. Gum missing another shot. Here's the Utopia 3-on-1. Jangs Moreno pull up, pass break, miss. And Murcia cannot control that rebound. Philip Tanyada Ranada checking back in.
Just one ball number 17, Gregory B. Second. That's the second team foul for Utopia. Shot clock, 14 seconds.
14 on the shot clock. And Philip Ranada continue on scoring. Way up on that shot for Utopia. Here's Galamgam to Ranada. Philip Ranada goes hard to the hoop. Money for him. Frederick Lou. Corner shot, another miss for Utopia by Rafael Augusto Jose. Here's the lead pass to Bren. Or so Bren using his muscles. And he scored over Rafael or Augusto Jose. And Utopia calling a timeout. We will be coming back after the break. Kaya ba to? Sige. Para mapatung. All right, as we go back to the ball game. Bonus free throw here for Bren Doctor. Bren misses. Last touch will be on Utopia. Power play move missed there by Dexter Barrion. And still completed. But Jose counter steal. Here's a Marquez. Janks Moreno picking. Janks goes for the reverse short. And here's the pass break. Bren Doctor will score another two. And EP Warriors on a 11-2 run here at the second quarter. Janks Moreno, another pull-up jumper, another short shot. Bren Doctor will score another two easily from a pass of Philip Aranyada. Jose. Rafael Augusto blocking foul. Will be called on Dexter Barrion. A bit delayed on the possession for the AP Warriors. AP Warriors now leading by 3. Rafael Augusto Jose, finger roll, short. Rebound by Galamgam. Here's Philip Ranyada pushing that basketball. Philip straight to the hoop. Too strong. Jang Moreno. Oh, what a shot there by Paul Mercado. A difficult one, but he converts and scores a 2. Ranyada will not use the pick set up by him by Barrion. Ranyada brings to Garay Blas. Galamgam pull up short. Battle for the rebound. Won by Mercado. Here's Jang Moreno against Garay Blas. Frederick Lou intimidated by Ranyada. Ranyada pushing that ball, scoring over Abarquez. Or sorry, over Asarcon. Paul Mercado rushing up. Pass it. Oh, great block by Barrion from behind against Jose. And a timeout will be called by Utopia with 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. We'll be coming back after a short break. As we come back to the ball game, a 3-point lead being enjoyed here by EP Warriors. Utopia with 13 on the shot clock. Jang Moreno with the basketball. Jang Moreno. Oh, an eye in the sky play for Paulo Murcia. Great eye contact communication. Almeida pulling up a three. Missing that one. Battle for the loose ball. Ranyada blocked by Asarcon. Ranyada fading away. Uses that glass. Philip Ranyada, our leading scorer in this ball game. Frederick Lu. Jang Moreno. Here's Paul Mercado for three. Short. 35-32. Almeida. Here's Barrion. Partially blocked by Asarcon. And what a putback by Dado Trilliana. And they up their lead to 5. Jang Moreno. Reverse layup is good. $37-34 right now. Mid shot. Frederick Lu with that rebound. Here's Jang Moreno. Jang will be met by two. Oh, what a pass! Titing Manalili pass coming from Jang Moreno and Carlo Murcia scores another two. Almeida to Ranyada. Barrion using his hip. Being pressured. Carlo Murcia almost lose that ball. 3-on-1. Back to Moreno. Basketball count plus a foul. That will be a number 16. Francis Baclay and Utopia once again regain the lead. 38-37. You can make it a possible 2-point lead if you will make this free throw. And Jang Moreno completing the 3-point play in a classic way. Here's Bren. Jang Moreno with the steal. Moreno to Murcia. The Batman and Robin once again deliver a shot. Ranyada. Spin. Use that glass and scores another two. 41-39. A close game here at the first half. Abarquez for three. Lead pass. And to tie the ball game, buzzer beater by Brent Doctor from a pass of Boy Almeida. So we are back to square one. 41 apiece for both teams. That is our halftime score. We'll be coming back here at the Advocatus League Season 5. As we come back here at the start of the third quarter here at the Advocatus League Season 5, Philip Ranada. Poy Almeda will score on that elbow jumper. This is your 38 and above division, presented to you by sportsplus.ph, Sam's, and of course powered by KOTC, Kings of the Court. Live here at the Gameville Ballpark in Sheridan Street, Mandaluyong City. Murcia will create, and that ball will go in after the tap, and Murcia will scores another two. Boy Almeda getting that pick from Ranyada. Good save. And number 19, Dado Trillana will score. Murcia, eye in the sky play this time. It will not go in. Here's Philip Ranyada. Ranyada driving. Grabbing that ball, getting that perfect balance and control, and scoring another two. Mercado, Abarquez, Murcia open. That shot using the high board. Lucky break for Murcia. EP Warriors block. Here's Murcia all alone. And it's a walk on the park for Carlo Paulo Murcia. Philip Ranyada. Faking. Pass it to Guillermo. Trillana will miss that point blank range. But Guillermo will keep that ball alive. Ranyada with the basket. 49-47. Abarquez overshoots that one. Here's Jose to Moreno. And Chang Moreno will tie the ball game. Boy Almeda with that running three. He will miss. Rebound by Mercado. Here's Chang Moreno. Chang block by Francis Baclay. And we have some substitution. Bren Doctor checking back in for Guillermo. Also inside number 12, Dexter Barrion. And Chang Moreno will score on that drive. Back-to-back basket for Jang Moreno. Boy Almeida faking, pulls up a jumper, getting the shooter's bounce. Paul Mercado. Abarquez misses. Almost a good block, but there will be a foul. Francis Baclay will be charged with his second personal foul. Here's Mercado. Mercado missing the first free throw. Battle for the rebound. Mercado gets his own miss. He reverses and he will travel as he takes that extra step because of the great defense by the EP Warriors on the interior. Bren Doctor. Bren. Garay Blas. Barrion will miss. Last touch on EP Warriors. Abarquez to Murcia. Jang Moreno for the ball. Moreno travels. Taking extra step before making that pass. Pio Garay Blas. Jang Moreno with a steal. Murcia. All the time in the world to score that too. Bad transition defense being shown by EP Warriors. That's why they are down by 2. Lots of open layup for Murcia in this third quarter. We have a timeout by the EP Warriors. We'll be coming back. scoring of both teams. EP Warriors scoring 18 on